Guys, here's a nice toolbox now. It's all steel. It's on rollers. It is 31 inches wide, 21 inches deep. It's got 4 rollers on it. It's got handles. It's got right here, you raise this side up. It's got chains to hold it up. The front tray, the front of the toolbox, 6 inches deep. Down here you got 2 swinging doors. This compartment here is 18 inches and a half by 30 by 21. You got locks on these things now. Close this up. Run this rod right here. Run it through that hole right there. Lock this in. Lock. Then you pull this on the top. Here's another lock. Put this down through here. This is a nice all steel toolbox made out of good heavy steel. Roll it around. Like plexiglass or what? Yeah. Snap it shut.